So I'm getting ready to go to our 3D event tonight, but I just want to show you guys what I'm wearing. This dress, this is bad lighting, I'm so sorry, but this dress is from Kohl's, and then I'm wearing black tights and my over-the-knee boots again. This dress is a little short, just to give you guys a warning, and it's a little tight in the shoulders. Probably could have went up a size, but this is from last year, so that could also be why. Just opened our Secret Sister gifts. Rachel is my secret sister, and you guys need to see what she got me because seriously. Okay, Snyder's cheesy pretzels, Reese's peanut butter cups, a cute mug, like billions of face masks, Batiste dry shampoo, and another bottle of Batiste dry shampoo. You guys seriously have no idea how much that makes my heart so happy. Thank you, Rachel. So I'm just getting back to the dorms. I'm waiting for Emily. I'm just getting back to the dorms from Secret Sister, and I just want to show you guys how much stuff is in this car because of membership. You probably can't even tell. Hey you guys, sorry I didn't vlog any more of yesterday. I'm just gonna combine day 10 and 11. I'm just gonna combine day 10 and 11 into one vlog, so it'll be longer for you guys. And I did mention in like the previous clip that I would show you guys how much stuff I got from being a membership director, so I'll totally include that. It's literally taken over my life right now. But we'll go more in depth on that later. I've just been studying for animal science. I have an exam tomorrow, and I'm just a little stressed out about it. So I'm gonna get back to studying. 5 pages of notes later, I'm finally done studying for this final. Oh my gosh. It is 1:49 in the morning. I have all this laundry that I still have to put away. But I'm going to show you guys quick just what my room looks like. I kind of give you an overview, but I'll show you more in depth. It's literally a mess. Like, seriously, it's a mess. These are poster boards for membership. This is just my stuff I need to clean out. My desk is a mess. These are my Christmas gifts from Secret Sister. I'll show you guys my favorite things I got, as well as that box. These 2 bins are also membership. That's just my junk. Membership. This bin is membership, and this is also membership stuff. And this is just clothes that needs to be put away. But this is a mess. I ran out of my eye makeup remover, and the best part about like being a Mary Kay consultant is that I just had a new one ready to go. So here it is. Just had it right on hand. I'm going to show you guys like a couple of my favorite things that I got for Secret Sister. So Rachel was my Secret Sister. You guys already saw what she gave me, but just to highlight, she got me 2 bottles of dry shampoo. And they're both Batiste, and so I am so excited about that. That is my favorite dry shampoo. You guys know I use it like every single day. And she also got me like face masks and candy and good stuff like that. So I'll probably take one of these with me tomorrow. And then Katie was not my Secret Sister. She got me just a gift because she loves me. So sweet of her. But she got me this hat that I have been wanting a hat like this for so long. It's just a distressed baseball cap. And it says, sweet as a peach. And I just think it's the cutest thing. Has a little peach on the back. And it's gray. It's going to match everything. And I just love that. I think she got it from the boutique Downtown Dixie in River Falls. But I know you can get these hats a lot of places. So anyway, thank you, Katie and Rachel. These are like my essential things I need in life. Especially because I hardly ever wash my hair. I probably wash it like once a week. So I always need dry shampoo. And I'm so excited to wear this baseball cap. I think I'm going to wear it tomorrow on my drive. But yeah, that's what I have going on. Those are my 2 top gifts, favorite gifts that I got. And yeah. So Anyway, I need to like go through these bins and figure out what I'm going to do with them and where I'm going to put them. And I just have that cup that needs to be washed. And I'm going to start putting away my laundry, and then I got to go to bed because I am so tired.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do.
So I just put on my laundry away, and it seems that I'm missing a pair of tights. So we're gonna go take a look and see if we can find them. I really don't have any hope that we're gonna find them though. So I was about to leave and I realized that I'm missing those tights because I didn't wash them yet, and they're still in my backpack from last night. So mystery solved, we have the tights. Okay, you guys, I'm finally going to bed. It is 3:15 in the morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep watching my Vlogmas videos. There's only, what's today? Today is December 12th. Only 13 days till Christmas. That is crazy. I'm not ready, you guys. I'm not ready. This is my girl Blair's sweatshirt. You guys need to go check out her channel. I will have it linked in the description box below. She's great, and you definitely need to go check her out. But anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep now, and I will see you guys in the morning.